This video covers how to adjust the side mirrors on the Opel Insignia B 2017-2023 models. Proper adjustment is crucial for safety, reducing blind spots and ensuring clear visibility. We'll guide you through the power controls, basic functions, and maintenance tips to keep your mirrors in top condition. The side mirror controls are located on the driver's side door panel. You'll find a joystick or button cluster to select either the left or right mirror. Once selected, use the same controls to adjust the mirror up, down, and left-right until you achieve optimal visibility. Ensure the ignition is on or in accessories mode for power operation. Begin by selecting the mirror you wish to adjust. Use the L or R button on the door panel to choose left or right side. Once selected, gently move the joystick or press the directional buttons to tilt the mirror. Adjust until you have a clear view of the lane beside you and a small portion of your car's rear quarter panel. Repeat the process for the other mirror to ensure both sides provide optimal visibility. The Opel Insignia B is equipped with a power folding function activated by a dedicated button on the door panel. Use this feature when parking in narrow spaces or going through car washes to prevent damage to the mirrors. Press the button once to fold the mirrors in and again to unfold them. Some Opel Insignia B models feature heated mirrors that activate with the rear defroster button. This helps melt ice and clear fog from the mirror surface, improving visibility in cold or humid conditions. Higher trim levels include blind spot monitoring. When a vehicle enters your blind spot, the mirror surface automatically dims to provide a visual alert, enhancing overall driving safety. Proper maintenance begins with keeping your mirrors clean. Use a soft microfiber cloth to gently wipe the surfaces, which prevents scratches and maintains clarity for optimal visibility. If your mirrors have manual folding hinges, apply a small amount of lubricant once a year. This ensures smooth operation and prevents the mechanisms from becoming stiff over time. By performing regular cleaning and lubrication, you'll extend the lifespan of your mirror mechanisms and maintain their reliability for years to come. Common issues with side mirrors on the Opel Insignia B include motor failure, which is indicated by a lack of movement when trying to adjust the mirrors. Some owners have reported motor wear after 100,000 kilometers, requiring actuator replacement. Another common problem is wiring faults, which can prevent the mirrors from responding to controls. If your mirrors stop working, check the fuses first, as they are often the cause of electrical issues. If the problem persists after checking fuses, consult a professional mechanic for diagnosis and repair. Motor failure can also be caused by worn gears, which may require disassembly and replacement of components. Aftermarket enhancements can upgrade your Opel Insignia B mirrors with modern features not available in the original design. Adaptive dimming kits automatically adjust mirror tint to reduce glare from headlights behind you, improving safety and comfort at night. Retrofitting smart mirrors with integrated cameras offers 360-degree visibility, eliminating blind spots and enhancing parking and maneuvering safety. Future trends include AI-assisted adjustment apps that learn and automatically position mirrors for different drivers, improving convenience for shared vehicles.